You know what? I like you. That's why I'm going to show you how to get rid of chemical cleaners in your home. So I'm going to show you two amazing cleaning products that can replace most of the chemical cleaners in your home. We have the beautiful Himalayan soap nuts, and we also have our stain removing salts. Pure, one ingredient cleaning solutions direct from nature. So soap nuts are these amazing little fruits, a true gift from nature. All you have to do is mix them with a little hot water, and we have a lot of recipes on our website. It's very simple, and you can create a number of liquid cleaning solutions for everything from your laundry, your kitchen, your bathroom, your dishes, even your own body, your hair. It makes a fantastic wash for your pets. And the best part about them is they are 100% certified organic and completely biodegradable. In fact, after you've used them a couple times, they just go in your compost. Simple. Another wonderful little bonus is that you get this beautiful organic cotton pouch for your soap nuts. All you have to do is drop a couple into the bag and toss it into your washing machine. Next, we have the wonderful stain removing salts. They are the perfect complement to the soap nuts for your laundry. The salts will deodorize, disinfect, and remove stains, and at the end, they just break down into water, oxygen, salt, and carbon. Since these products are not liquid, they travel really well. You can take a little bit on any trip and wash your clothes on the go. Soap nuts and stain removing salts, the perfect pair. The soap nuts are literally nuts from a tree. These have been used for thousands of years. And I don't know what this is.
Oh, it's a mineral. It's a natural mineral. It's just sodium percarbonate.
What is sodium percarbonate?